Start with the basics. Luma AI Dream Machine turns written prompts into short videos. This walkthrough shows how to prepare, generate, review, and improve results. Before generating, decide what you want to see, including the subject, setting, movement, camera behavior, and visual style. Specific descriptions usually produce clearer direction. Open the official Dream Machine page and identify the main creation area. Confirm that the interface loads, then use its visible controls as your starting point. Next, gather the essentials: a clear idea, a usable reference image when appropriate, and enough time to review several outputs rather than accepting the first result. A strong starting prompt names one primary subject and one action. Add environment and lighting details only when they support the intended shot, keeping the request focused. Use the official Learning Hub to check requirements and examples before spending generations. Look for guidance on prompting, supported workflows, and practical ways to plan your input. Pay attention to important limits. Generated motion can vary, complex scenes may drift, and a prompt cannot guarantee exact characters, text, or frame-by-frame control. Keep the first version simple. If the result misses the subject or movement, change one meaningful detail at a time so you can understand which revision helped. On the Dream Machine page, inspect available options before submitting. Check visible controls for prompt input, references, aspect choices, or generation settings, and note any limits shown. For the primary action, write the prompt, attach a reference only if it improves consistency, and submit once the description matches the shot you intend to test. After generation, watch the complete clip before judging it. Compare subject identity, movement, composition, and pacing with your original prompt, then record one specific improvement. Follow the visible setup flow on Dream Machine. Enter your description, add supported inputs when useful, choose available settings, and review the result without assuming hidden controls exist. If something fails, return to the Learning Hub and compare your approach with official guidance. Avoid random changes, use the documentation to isolate the problem. Finish with a final review, save the strongest version, note the prompt that produced it, and decide whether another focused iteration is genuinely worthwhile. For continuing help, revisit the Learning Hub and look for support or contact information visible on the official site. Keep testing deliberately and document what works. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped.